Hello teacher, hello classmate. My name is Pedro Javier Guerrero. I'm a student bachelor in modern language with emphasis in English. And today I want to explain you the first part from our activity according our course Advanced English 1. The main topic from this activity is how to get better at the thing you care about. The human through the history have been looking for how to improve their skill, their knowledge, but always take in mind satisfy the different needs and the different interests. These needs and interests locate them into different sums. These sums allow him to continue doing the same thing for the rest of their life, or allow him improve their skill doing new studies, make deep study for a specific knowledge. These sums is the performance sums and the learning sums. As I said, one of these sums is allow them continues doing the same situation. This is very common when the people get a job according to your profession. In this picture we can see different person with different profession. Many of them continues doing the same for all your life, but if we change for the learning zones, we can see that the people always effort with the idea to improve their knowledge and have better capacities. This is the two songs one the people can state that these songs depends what stage of the life the person is located. Okay guys, that's all for now. I wait for your comment and see you the next time. Goodbye.